lights, please. Woo. What's up, K gang? Wait, if you call it next video, you know what time it is. Alright, so it's right now, actually 12 o'clock. About to head out to sleep. But first, you know you gotta do the night routine first. So, about to hit that real quick. So, stay with me, please. So now we're gonna go and brush our teeth. Well, I can't say our teeth. I gonna brush my teeth. I don't know, but y'all. Whew. So y'all ain't really think I was gonna brush my teeth before I go to sleep, right? Y'all nasty children. So let's get it, man. Let's get it. Ooh. Gonna do the night method real quick. We're gonna brush the waves and we're gonna brush the teeth. Let's get it. Let's get it. Alright, let's get it. I did brush my hair already, so I don't need to do that much of a brushing. You should be straight with that. Try not to mess up my crown, because I already fixed my crown for the night. So yeah. Alright. So for me, I use the coconut curling cream. Can too. I use can too. See ya. Handful. You should be good for the night. Alright, I'm not adding any grease in my hair. Cause I ain't going out or anything. So I'm gonna just add the moisturizer. And that should do the trick. That should do the trick. Quick brush session. So I'm gonna use the mirror, the big mirror now. Quick brush session for you guys. Hey, actually I'm just doing a brush session to show you guys my routine, but I already did a brush session. So yeah. Who's ready for school? Let me know if y'all ready for school. School. So yeah, I asked some friends about like what I should do for YouTube more often. They said vlogs, so I'm gonna be doing vlogs more often. You know, gotta support the, you know. Alright, that should be it. Plastic bag it, plastic bag it. Plastic bag it. Oh Lord, I forgot to tell you what this video is about. So today's video, I mean, one of my cousins says I sleepwalk. I don't believe him, but today we're gonna find out for myself. Ashley is going to install a camera in my room, and we're gonna see if I sleepwalk for true. So yeah, this about to be fun. And she said I sleepwalk to go get some. To go eat stuff and drink stuff from the fridge. So we about to see what's gonna happen. We about to see. Woo. My waves on fleek, bro. Check out the waves, bro. Waves on fleek. Good, we good, man, we good. I should have had my music. The fuck I was thinking. I don't like my Louis Durr. Y'all like it? I'm gonna try not to make this video too long, so yeah. While I'm doing this, I'm gonna tell y'all what happened to me today. I went to the gas station to get some gas, and apparently my car broke down. I didn't know why, but it was the battery problem, so I need a new battery. So And I would be so kind of you guys if you guys could donate $1 each, and I could save up to get a battery. Just kidding. So I'm planning to get a new battery this week when I get paid. So yeah, hopefully I get a new battery. It don't shame me because I have people in the car. Wow. So let's get it. And I'm done, so we're gonna get some water because you know the body needs a lot of water. And I don't think I got a lot of water in today. No, I didn't drink water at all. So we're gonna get some water. Brought back. K-gang. Yeah, my name is Kali, so K-gang. So we're back, about to get some water. Got some ice and the water. We gotta make sure we good for the night. Whew. Nice piece of cake, but I'm on a diet. I can't be eating a lot of sweets. Healthy. So guess what? I don't drink, I don't smoke. I'm a healthy kid. So alright, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna set up a camera in the kitchen. And we're gonna set up a camera in my room. So we can know when I get out, when I go to the kitchen to get something to eat. So yeah, like I said, my cousin said I sleepwalk. She's not here at the moment, she's off. And I'm here watching the house. But I sleepwalk, that's what I heard. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna check it out today. So, alright. So we're gonna set up the camera over here. It's gonna take me some time to fall asleep. And then we're gonna see if I sleepwalk or not. So, let's get it. Good night, K-gang. What's up, guys? Just woke up. I hope you guys like the video. So I'm just about to do the morning method. Yeah, I hope I didn't sleepwalk. I haven't watched this yet, but I'm gonna let y'all guys see it first. Alright guys, I'm just about to take a shower and I'm gonna head out because I gotta go in the court. So every Sunday the court be packed, so you gotta be there early. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys liked it. Wavy Kali.